Welcome to this lesson. We're going to be looking at this question: how can inferences help readers understand a poem? Now let's take a look at the lesson goals. You're going to read the poem Birdfoot's Grandpa by Joseph Bruchac, and we're going to use this in order to learn how to make inferences about a poem, identify figurative language in a poem, and determine the theme of a poem. And in order to accomplish all these lesson goals, we need some key vocabulary words. The first two words in green are our academic words: explicit, implicit. You see these in all your subject areas. The last four words are what we call the domain-specific words: figurative language, inference, literal language, theme. We're going to discuss all of these in the course of this lesson. In this lesson, you're going to be making inferences in a poem. Making an inference is like finding a missing piece to a puzzle. Using clues in the text and what you already know, you can piece together the meaning of ideas in a poem. Now, you've just seen your goals and your vocabulary words, and you're going to use these to answer the lesson question: how can inferences help readers understand a poem? Now I want you to think about what it means to look out for others in our world, which is key to understanding this lesson's poem. If you saw a woman walking down the street and money fell out of her purse, would you pick up the money and say nothing? Or would you call after her and give the money back to her? Well, in this lesson, we're going to be thinking about how people look out for others. So how about it? Do you remember a time when you looked out for other people? How have you looked out for others? Kindness is always appreciated, and helping others is part of being a good friend, neighbor, or citizen.